Hi and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Parler on your Android device. So, let's open Parler. Now we have to open a side menu. We do that by tapping on these three dashes in the top left corner. Now, click on Settings and Privacy. Go to Edit Profile. And now, tap on your name. And let's, for example, HardReset.Info. I can't write. Great. And if you are done, just click on this Save button in the top right corner. Great, we have updated our name in Parler. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment and a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.